got a package. Can't wait to see what's inside. This is from one of my TikTok subscribers. What do we got? Oh, there's a nice letter. This is so sweet. I'm gonna keep it forever. The TLDR is he loves the filaments. Hope you love these gifts. I want to make it clear. I did these just because I love your filament and your TikTok. I'm just hoping to brighten your day. My day needs brightening, so let's dig in. So much bubble wrap. This wrap so intentionally. It's a high color tumbler, but this is amazing. It's like a cupcake. You can actually feel all of the sprinkles. This is amazing. There's another little box. Wait. Oh, it's little hype color pins. And there is a whole box of them. These are so beautiful, and thank you so much, Gemini. I thought I was done, but there's stuff in the tumbler. That's a little Cali Dragon keychain. Thank you.